25 Chat GPT Prompts to 25x your email copywriting results. Use these simple formulas to help you become world-class copywriter. 1. Use FAB model. Example. For those bright, sunshine days, the Super Retina XDR display feature now reaches a peak of 2000 nits outdoors. That's twice as bright as before and the highest peak of brightness of any smartphone. Advantage. So text jumps right off the screen. Benefit. Example prompt. Using the Features Advantages Benefits framework, please write an email marketing campaign that highlights the features of our product service and explains how these advantages can be helpful to ideal customer persona. Elaborate on the benefits of our product and how it can positively impact the reader. 2. Use PASTER model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the PASTER framework to address the pain points of ideal customer persona and present our product service as the solution. Identify the problem they are facing. Amplify the consequences of not solving it. Tell a story related to the problem. Include testimonials from happy customers. Present our offer and ask for a response. 3. Use BAB model. Example. I made $0 online in 2019. Before. 3 years later. After. 100M plus impressions, $1.7 million in online income, 4 successful revenue streams. What changed? I started writing online every day. Here's my simple 4-step process. Bridge. Example prompt. Using the Before-After Bridge framework, please write an email marketing campaign that presents the current situation with a problem faced by ideal customer persona. Show them the world after using our product service and how it has improved their situation. Then, provide a bridge to show them how they can get to that improved state by using our product. 4. Use AIDA model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the Attention Interest Desire Action framework to grab the attention of ideal customer persona and persuade them to take action. Start with a bold statement to get their attention. Present information that piques their interest. State the benefits of our product service to create desire and ask for a sign-up or purchase. 5. Use PAS model. Example. We have a problem. The world of online learning is stale. Problem. Lack of community, low engagement, and no incentive for completion. Agitate. Here's what's next for the future of online education. Solution. Example prompt. Using the Problem Agitate Solve framework, please write an email marketing campaign that identifies the most painful problem faced by ideal customer persona and agitates the issue to show why it is a bad situation. Then, present our product service as the logical solution to the problem. 6. Use 4Ps model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the Picture Promise Prove Push framework to paint a picture that gets the attention and creates desire for our product service in ideal customer persona. Describe how our product will deliver on its promises, provide testimonials to back up those promises, and give a little push to encourage the reader to take action. 7. Use 3S's model. Example prompt. Using the Star Story Solution framework, please write an email marketing campaign that introduces the main character of a story related to our product service and keeps the reader hooked. End the story with an explanation of how the star wins in the end with the help of our product. 8. Use ACCA model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the Awareness Comprehension Conviction Action framework to present the situation or problem faced by ideal customer persona and help them understand it. Create the desired conviction in the reader to use our product service as the solution and make them take action. 9. Use 5 Basic Objections model. Example prompt. Using the 5 Basic Objections framework, please write an email marketing campaign that addresses and refutes the common objections of ideal customer persona: lack of time, lack of money, concerns that the product won't work for them, lack of belief in the product or company, and the belief that they don't need the product. Include talking points such as unique selling point, and desired action. 10. Use 4Cs model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the 4Cs framework to create clear, concise, compelling, and credible copy for ideal customer persona. Use this checklist to ensure that our message is effectively communicated and persuades the reader to take action. Include talking points such as unique selling point and desired action.
11. Use consistent contrasting model. Example prompt. Please write an email marketing campaign using the consistent contrasting framework to convert leads into customers. Use a consistent message or theme throughout the copy, but incorporate contrasting language or images to draw the reader's attention and keep them engaged. Include talking points such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action. 12. Use strong weak model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the strong weak framework to persuade ideal customer persona to take action. Use strong language and images to emphasize the benefits of our product, service, but also acknowledge any potential weaknesses or limitations in a transparent and honest way. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 13. Use emotion logic model. Example prompt. Using the emotion logic framework, please write an email marketing campaign that connects with ideal customer persona and creates desire for our product, service. Use emotional appeals to connect with the reader, but also use logical arguments to convince them to take action. Include talking points such as emotion, pain point, and desired action. 14. Use personal universal model. Example prompt. Craft an email marketing campaign using the personal universal framework to make our product, service relatable to ideal customer persona. Use you language and address their specific needs and desires, but also connect our product to universal human experiences and values. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 15. Use urgency patience model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the urgency patience framework to encourage ideal customer persona to take action. Create a sense of urgency to encourage the reader to act now, but also remind them that using our product, service will bring long-term benefits that are worth waiting for. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 16. Use expectation surprise model. Example prompt. Please write an email marketing campaign using the expectation surprise framework to generate interest and encourage action from ideal customer persona. Set expectations for the reader about what they can expect from our product, service, but then surprise them with unexpected benefits or features that exceed those expectations. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 17. Use exclusive inclusive model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the exclusive inclusive framework to position our product, service as elite and desirable to ideal customer persona. Make it clear that our product is exclusive or elite in some way, but also emphasize that it is accessible and inclusive to a wide range of customers. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 18. Use positive-negative model. Example prompt. Using the positive-negative framework, please write an email marketing campaign that focuses on the positive aspects of our product, service, and the benefits it will bring to ideal customer persona. Also acknowledge and address any potential negative consequences or drawbacks in a constructive way. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action.
19. Use past present future model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the past present future framework to connect our product, service to ideal customer persona as past experiences or memories. Show how it can improve their present situation, and then show how it can shape their future in a positive way. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 20. Use friend expert model. Example prompt. Craft an email marketing campaign using the friend expert framework to establish a connection with ideal customer persona and position our brand or product, service as an expert in our field. Use a friendly and approachable tone to connect with the reader, but also highlight our credibility and expertise in our field. Include talking points such as unique selling point, pain point, and desired action. 21. Use PAR model. Example prompt. Please write an email marketing campaign using the Pain Agitate Relief framework to convert leads into customers. Identify the pain points faced by ideal customer persona, amplify the negative consequences of not addressing these pain points, and present our product, service as the solution that brings relief. Include variables such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action. 22. Use solution savings social proof model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the Solution Savings Social Proof framework to persuade ideal customer persona to take action. Clearly state the problem our product, service solves, emphasize the time, money, or other resources that the customer can save by using our product, and use customer testimonials or social proof to demonstrate the effectiveness of our solution. Include variables such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action. 23. Use story solve sell model. Example prompt. Create an email marketing campaign using the story solve sell framework to convert leads into customers. Tell a compelling story that connects with ideal customer persona and relates to the problem our product, service solves. Clearly demonstrate how our product solves the problem, and make a strong call to action to convince the reader to purchase or take the desired action. Include variables such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action. 24. Use IDA model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the IDA model to persuade ideal customer persona to take action. Grab the attention of the reader with a strong headline or opening statement. Build interest in our product, service by highlighting its benefits and features. Create a desire for our product by emphasizing how it meets the needs and desires of the customer, and make a strong call to action to encourage the reader to take the desired action. Include variables such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action. 25. Use 6Ws model. Example prompt. Write an email marketing campaign using the 6Ws framework to convert leads into customers. Identify ideal customer persona as the target audience. Clearly describe our product, service, and what it does. Highlight any time-sensitive aspects of our offer or the problem it solves. Specify where the product or service can be purchased or used. Clearly explain the benefits and value of our product, service, and explain how the product or service works and how the customer can obtain it. Include variables such as product, service, unique selling point, and desired action.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.